Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving deep into the world of YouTube automation powered by AI. Imagine creating a cash cow channel without even showing your face. Yes, you heard it right. We're going to unravel the secrets to crafting compelling content that hooks your audience and keeps them coming back for more, all while leveraging the power of artificial intelligence. Imagine this. A YouTube channel that generates revenue on autopilot, consistently attracts viewers, and keeps them engaged without you having to show your face. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, buckle up because today I'm going to show you how to turn this dream into a reality using AI-driven strategies. From content ideation to audience engagement, we'll explore the power of AI in creating a faceless cash cow channel that not only stands out but also thrives in the competitive landscape of YouTube. Don't forget to download the free ebook on how to make money online using AI chatbots without coding. The link is in the description down below. So let's get started. YouTube automation with AI revolutionizes content creation by integrating cutting-edge technology into the creative process. AI algorithms analyze vast amounts of data, from trending topics to audience preferences, to generate valuable insights. For content creators, this means access to a treasure trove of information that can guide video ideas, optimize titles and descriptions, and even suggest the best times to publish for maximum reach. Imagine having an AI assistant that constantly scores the internet for emerging trends and topics relevant to your niche. This allows you to stay ahead of the curve and create content that resonates with your audience. AI-powered tools can also assist in keyword research, helping you tailor your content to match what people are searching for. By leveraging AI in content creation, creators can focus more on crafting compelling narratives and engaging visuals, knowing that the technical aspects are being handled efficiently. Moreover, AI doesn't just stop at content ideation. It can also play a crucial role in video editing, from automatic scene transitions to enhancing audio quality. This level of automation not only saves time, but also ensures a polished final product that captivates viewers. With AI handling repetitive tasks, creators can channel their creativity into storytelling and connecting with their audience on a deeper level, fostering a loyal and engaged community. Before we continue, I'd love to know where you're watching from. Leave a comment down below with the country you live in. AI is a game changer in content creation, offering creators a wealth of tools and capabilities to elevate their videos. One of the key benefits is AI-driven content generation, where algorithms analyze data trends, audience behavior, and competitor strategies to suggest compelling video ideas. This not only saves time brainstorming, but also ensures that your content is aligned with what your audience wants to see, increasing engagement and watch time. Thumbnail creation is another area where AI shines. By analyzing image data and understanding design principles, AI tools can generate eye-catching thumbnails that entice viewers to click on your videos. This visual appeal is crucial in grabbing attention amidst a sea of content on YouTube. Additionally, AI can assist in scripting videos by suggesting engaging hooks, structuring content logically, and even providing creative input based on audience preferences and feedback. Furthermore, AI-powered analytics tools provide valuable insights into video performance, audience demographics, and engagement metrics. Creators can leverage this data to refine their content strategy, identify trends, and make data-driven decisions. For instance, AI can highlight which types of content resonate most with your audience, allowing you to double down on successful formats and topics. By harnessing AI for content creation, creators can optimize their workflow, improve video quality, and ultimately grow their channel more effectively. Crafting a faceless cash cow channel. Crafting a faceless cash cow channel requires a strategic approach that leverages AI tools and content strategies to build a strong brand identity. The concept of a faceless channel revolves around creating content that resonates with viewers without necessarily showing the creator's face on camera. This opens up opportunities for a wider range of content creators who may prefer to remain anonymous or focus solely on content creation without being in the spotlight. AI can be instrumental in this process by assisting in script writing, video editing, and channel optimization. For script writing, AI algorithms can generate engaging and relevant scripts based on keyword research, audience preferences, and industry trends. This ensures that your content is not only compelling but also optimized for search engines, increasing its discoverability and reach. Video editing is another aspect where AI can work wonders for a faceless channel. From automatic scene transitions to color grading and audio enhancement, AI-powered editing tools can streamline the editing process and produce professional-looking videos. This level of polish and professionalism is crucial in capturing and retaining viewer attention, ultimately leading to higher watch times, engagement, and monetization opportunities. Additionally, AI can help in channel optimization by analyzing performance metrics, suggesting improvements, and identifying areas for growth, allowing creators to fine-tune their strategy for maximum impact. If you're eager to quit the 9-to-5 hamster wheel, make sure you subscribe so I can keep creating more content like this. Tips for success. Consistency is key when it comes to building a successful faceless cash cow channel. Establishing a regular upload schedule helps keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly uploads, consistency shows your dedication to your channel and helps build anticipation among your viewers. Use AI tools to schedule uploads and plan content ahead of time, ensuring a steady flow of quality videos. Keyword optimization plays a crucial role in boosting your channel's visibility and reach. AI-powered tools can help identify relevant keywords and phrases that resonate with your target audience. Incorporate these keywords strategically in your video titles, descriptions, and tags to improve your video's chances of appearing in search results and suggested videos. By leveraging AI for keyword optimization, you can attract more organic traffic to your channel and expand your audience base. Engagement is the lifeblood of any successful YouTube channel. Take the time to interact with your audience by responding to comments, asking for feedback, and engaging in discussions. AI analytics tools can help track audience engagement metrics, such as likes, shares, and comments, providing insights into what content resonates most with your viewers. Foster a sense of community by acknowledging and valuing your audience's input, which can lead to increased loyalty, repeat viewership, and word-of-mouth promotion, ultimately fueling the growth of your faceless cash cow channel. If you can't wait to achieve financial freedom and live life on your terms, hit the like button. People, in the realm of YouTube automation with AI, embracing data-driven decisions is paramount for channel success. AI-powered analytics tools offer a treasure trove of data insights, ranging from audience demographics and behavior to video performance metrics. Utilize these insights to make informed decisions about your content strategy, marketing efforts, and overall channel direction. Start by diving deep into your audience analytics. AI can provide detailed reports on viewer demographics, including age, gender, location, and interests. Use this information to tailor your content to suit your target audience's preferences and interests. For example, if your analytics show that a significant portion of your audience is interested in technology, consider creating more tech-related content to cater to their needs and preferences. If you want to know 8 Best Niche for TikTok Creativity Program 2024, earn $8,000 monthly with Faceless Niche, make sure you click the video showing on the screen right now.